So first, the word we have would. Okay, this means in Hindi comes out as ga. Okay, or ga. Next we
Okay.
have the word like. So it is
Okay.
a word that means chahana or pasand karna. Chahana or pasand karna.
Okay.
So I just write it in English as well. So chahana or
Chahana. Okay.
pasand karna.
Pasanda
Karna.
karna.
Karna, yes. So for now we will take this chahana of like. Okay, so how
Okay.
we use it in the verb. So first the we just modify the verb to get the meaning, if it's in present, if it's in past, or if it's in future. Okay, so the verb decide. So here the verb we have like, that means chahana. Okay, chahana. So what we do here, first we get the root verb. To get the root verb, what we do, we just remove this na. Okay, and then we have only the cha. Now
Okay.
according to the sentence, so cha, and then we have ga, because I want to make it future. I want to say
Okay. Okay.
would like. So now I have to combine this with here. So I just cha, then I need to add ga here. So what should I do to fill this gap? Chahaga. Okay.
Chahaga.
Chahaga. So there is a gap to fill it. So now we will go to the pronouns. So first pronoun we have I. That means मैं. Okay. And मैं has the ending who. है ना? When we say who.
Exactly.
So it's who. So it is having the oo sound. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Next we have you. That means तुम or आप. है ना?
Okay.
तुम और आप और तू as well, but here we just taking the आप or तू. So when we use तुम, we say हो, and when we use आप, we say है. These things you already know. Now we are just trying to understand the sound. So ho has o sound, and have this a sound in the end. Okay, so this sound will come to the verb to modify. And now we have the third one, he or she or anything. That is यह और वह, है ना? And it
Yeah.
has the meaning है. So it also has the a sound, but this one is different, using na. है. Got till here? Now we will try to make it according to the letters. Okay. So let me change the pen
Okay.
color. Yes, I just take the tool to identify. So now, if I want to use I in the subject, so how will I use this verb in future? So first I will use cha, and then this u sound. Okay, cha, hu, ga. This you also have,
Chahunga.
yes, na nasal sound over here, है ना? तो हूँ.
Okay.
So we will make it चाहूँगा when we are using I. So what I fill here, I just fill here n. Got it? un to make it whom. It's easy to understand.
Okay. So
Yes, so it become I. चाहूँगा. When we are using I, then we will use चाहूँगा. Okay.
okay. So main chahunga is I would like.
Yes, I would like. So yes, let me fill the another one. So next, if we want to use you, so what will I do? I just use chaha, the root verb. And now if I am using ho, so what I will use, I will put o sound where chaho, and then ge, because a, when we use tum, so we use the verb a, है ना?
Okay.
चाहोगे, तो it will become चाहोगे. Next, if we want to use हैं, so what I will do, चा, then same हैंगे, चाहेंगे.
Okay.
Okay, when we are
Okay.
using हो, तुम or आप, so that's plural, and for plural we use a sound, है ना, in the end.
Okay.
Got it? Now the third one we have है. तो चाहोगे और चाहेंगे. Now he she. So now what I will do, I will just take the cha and then this a sound chahe. So this a sound can be described as e chahe and then ga because it's singular. So we use ga and tum and aap are look like plural. So that ge and also I is similar to ga. Okay, in the end. So you got this.
You chahoge or chahoge?
You one is chahoge when you are using tum chahoge because when you use tum
Ah,
so you use
chahoge
ho.
without n. Chahoge.
Without yes, and in the chahenge you need to use hai. This
Okay.
hai,
Okay.
these three things a I n and then ge chahenge.
Chahenge. Okay.
Okay,
Okay. And is she chahega?
yes,
Chahega.
chahega, yes.
Okay.
So yes, so you understood how we use this verb using I, you, he, she, it. Okay,
Okay.
and now we will do the thing.